Okay, how to adjust the mirrors on Opel Corsa. Halfway to turn everything on. I select left and look at the mirror. Up, down, up, right. Now select the right one, press there. This is the joystick, and leave it in the middle when you don't use them. I could start the car. Open the windows. To open or close all the way, keep it pressed for a few seconds. Okay. Not bad. The space is a bit small, but not so bad at all. Actually, it's okay. These things are a bit big, and there is a bit of a visibility problem at the back. Not so easy to see there.